Hennessey has introduced a new Mustang known as the Super Venom. It features a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 with 850 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. The car also comes with a carbon fiber body kit and interior upgrades. The Mustang tuner wars are heating up as Hennessey has unveiled their new Super Venom. It follows hot on the heels of the Shelby GT350 and sports even more power. Starting under the hood, Ford's 5.0-liter Coyote V8 has been equipped with upgraded fuel injectors, a new engine management system, and a high-performance supercharger. Hennessey also throws in a high-flow air induction system and a new fuel pump. Thanks to the changes, the output climbs to 850 horsepower, 634 kilowatts/862 PS, and 650 lb-ft, 880 Nm of torque. This enables the Super Venom to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 96 kilometers per hour, in 3.2 seconds and run the quarter mile in 10.9 seconds at 133 miles per hour, 214 kilometers per hour. Those are improvements of 0.5 seconds, 1.1 seconds, and 14.6 miles per hour, 23.5 kilometers per hour, compared to a stock dark horse with an automatic transmission. While we've already seen similar performance upgrades from Hennessey, this particular model is notable for featuring a Venom Aero carbon fiber kit. It includes a front splitter, a hood vent, and functional front fender louvers. They're joined by sporty side skirts, a new rear deck lid with an integrated spoiler, and a fixed rear wing. The company said the changes deliver improved handling and grip when the car is being driven hard on the road or track. Other highlights include carbon fiber mirror caps and lightweight 20-inch wheels. The model also sports Hennessey badging as well as 3 livery packages, which are available in black, silver, and red. Interior changes are more modest, but the Super Venom has leather and Alcantara seats with embossed backrests. They're joined by floor mats as well as an individually numbered dash plaque. The Super Venom can be based on the Mustang GT or Mustang Dark Horse, and customers can choose between a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission. Production will be limited to 91 units and pricing starts at $149,950 for the GT and $163,950 for the Dark Horse, including the stock Mustang.